So we are doing chapter 18 future tense in that exercise C. Okay, in that is given use the simple present or the present continuous. Simple present means s और yes वाला form and present continuous का मतलब क्या हुआ am is am plus ing, right? To express the future in the following paragraph, आपको future को express करना है. First is given the date of the school culture festival. So that is going to come, right? तो क्या होगा? It is a continuous process. So we are writing that is approaching. The date of the school culture festival is approaching will come. Understood this one? The event is going to be organized. So
Yes,
is
ma'am.
approaching will come. Next, let's go over the plans again. So again, it is simple present tense. Plans is given. The chief guest. तो वो आएंगे. So what will come? Arrives. आने वाले हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Okay?
Right.
Arrives at 12:30 p.m. दीपा and गगन वो क्या करेंगे? दोनों मिलके उनको ग्रीट करेंगे. ओके, सो विल कम ग्रीटिंग प्रोसेस नहीं करेंगे, मतलब हमें उसको चालू में नहीं दिखानी वो प्रोसेस को. सो इट विल कम ओनली ग्रीट हिम एंड दीपा प्रेजेंट्स, उसको गिफ्ट देंगे. प्रेजेंट अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर, तो आपको सिंपली एस लगाना है. As soon as everyone is seated, the show dash what will become? सब लोग बैठ जाएंगे, the show will starts. Okay, S will come. Maya dash the welcome address. तो वो क्या करेगी माया? Presents करेंगे. Okay, S लगाना है, simple present tense. And welcome address is the for ready. They dash the welcome song while the chief guest lights the lamp. बाकी का सब कुछ आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में करना है फिलअप. Only in the beginning will come is approaching. In the rest of the blanks you have to go for the simple present tense only. Okay. So go का goes होगा, light का lights, sing का sing. क्योंकि they है, so sing will come remain as it is as a sing. Understood this much now, Bhakti?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, anyone has any doubt regarding this now?
Ma'am,
No,
exercise A में
No.
exercise
ma'am.
A में 4 और 7.
So ठीक है, we are doing the whole exercise. चलो, exercise A from the beginning. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate future tense forms of the verbs given in the bracket to complete this sentence. So simply आपको future tense करना है. So what will come in the future tense? Shall will plus main verb, right? So you have to complete this whole exercise by filling it. Will compulsory in the all the blank, and you have to write the main verb as it is. And if it is a negative sentence, then you have to write will not, I or want. Okay, that would be the answer. Now any doubt regarding A exercise?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
Now
ma'am.
B number.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now B, change the following sentence into the interrogative. So what will come? Shall will come in front. Shall will जहाँ पे भी है आपको आगे रखना है. If it is a negative sentence, then want है वो आगे रख दो. Easy. So in second negative sentence is there. So what will you write? Want Mita be there for the party. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
सिंपली इंट्रोगेटिव है तो आपको सेल और विल को आगे करना है. जैसे आप पहले एमिजार वॉजवेयर को आगे करते थे, राइट? इन दिस टाइप यू हैव टू पुट सेल और विल इन द beginning of the sentence, and the remaining sentence will remain as it is, and at the end of the sentence you have to put the question mark. Now clear to everyone this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to start the next chapter. 19 active and passive voice. Okay, and I just want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
inform you that many of you have not submitted the unit test 5's notebook. Please come in the school and submit the notebooks. Okay, and tell to your friends also to submit the notebook.
मैम हम लोग कब सबमिट कर सकते हैं?
सैटरडे कल तक सबमिट कर
मेरा
दो.
नहीं हुआ.
कल तक सबमिट कर दीजिए। ओके,
कल तक।
हाँ,
ओके मैम, कितने बजे?
9 to 12,
टाइम
9 to 12।
9 to 12.
Okay.
Okay.
Now our next topic is, next chapter is said active and passive voice. Active का मतलब क्या होता है? The person is doing some work. ओके, और पैसिव का मतलब किसी के द्वारा हम वो वर्क करवा रहे हैं, तो बोलते हैं पैसिव। ओके, एक्टिव वॉइस ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द नाउन, नाम से स्टार्ट होता है। ओके, एंड मोस्टली पैसिव वॉइस का जो सेंटेंस होता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट होता है। ऑब्जेक्ट कम्स फर्स्ट इन केस ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस। ओके, नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इन डिटेल। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, एग्जांपल, सानिया रॉट द बुक। तो सानिया एक पर्सन हुआ, इसका नाउन हुआ, राइट? सानिया इज अ नाउन। रॉट द बुक, रॉट का मतलब उसने बुक को लिख दिया। हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज द बुक, राइट? सो व्हाट विल कम? द बुक विल कम इन फ्रंट, so that is given answer. The book was written by Sanya. So now students, you have to remember some rules and some tense also. First of all, some rules are there कि which tense is going to convert to which tense. If now students, simple present tense is there, what will come in simple present tense? Simple present में क्या होता है? S और es वाला फॉर्म या तो मेन वर्ब, राइट? एग्जाम्पल लिखती हूँ मैं, I play game, right? This is a simple present tense is there. So if the sentence of simple present tense, what you have to convert into the active verb. Now in case of passive, passive में what you have to do? Simple present will be converted into the first object will come, object plus am is कोई भी एक प्लस। अब याद रखना है आपको, यहाँ पे बीच ही आएगा, मतलब क्या होता है? बीच का मतलब होता है, जैसे एग्जांपल, गो इज अ मेन वर्ब, क्योंकि गो का पार्ट फॉर्म होता है
One.
नेक्स्ट फॉर्म इज कमिंग एज ए गोल, इसको बोलते हैं वर्ब, वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज
Two
थर्ड
and
फॉर्म ऑफ
V3.
द वर्ब। So always in the passive form you have to write the third form of the verb. Now clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, if your past tense is there, the simple present tense is there, then write am is plus V3. If it is the past tense is there, past tense is what will come? Verb को ed लगेगा, जैसे कि play हो
Was.
जाएगा,
Were.
right? So in case of this passive, you have to write object will come first plus was there.
Was. Were.
दो में से कोई एक भी और प्लस यहाँ पर आएगा V3. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next is given if it is coming present continuous tense. If it is present continuous, continuous मतलब ing वाला form है. Present continuous form. So what will become? I am playing. Example I am giving you. I am playing a game. Right? तो उसका पैसिव क्या होगा? Object is a game. So a game. गेम के
Yes.
अकॉर्डिंग आपको एमिजा लिखना है। सो गेम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या आएगा? इज
A
आएगा।
game is played.
जस्ट बिकॉज़
हाँ.
ऑफ दिस आईडी इज दैट यू हैव टू पुट बीइंग, इज बीइंग। अ गेम इज बीइंग बीसी, बीसी में क्या आएगा? प्लेड। ओके, बीसी में क्या आएगा? प्लेड। एंड व्हाटएवर द सब्जेक्ट इज दैट यू हैव टू जॉइन इट विद द बाय। सो अ गेम इज बीइंग प्लेड बाय, आई की बदले होगा मी। ओके, अगर बी है तो अस होगा, बाय अस। जैसे आई है तो मी होता है, बी का अस, यू का यूनी होगा, राइट? जैसे सी है तो बाय हिम होगा, ही है तो बाय होगा,
Him.
राइट? लाइक दिस यू दिस इज माय, किसी का नाम है, यहाँ पे आई एम की बदले लिखा हुआ है Meena is playing a game. So what will come here? By Meena लिखना है।
A game is
Clear?
A game is being played by Nina.
A game is being played by Veena. Here if I is said, then you have to put the B is said, then by us will come you, C ka her, E ka him, by him. Clear this one? And similarly, if this sentence is coming in a past continuous tense, okay? If it is in a past continuous means what? I was playing a game. So what would be passive voice? If passive voice would be, first one is active. Passive voice would be what? Object will come first. That will become a game. Game के साथ क्या आएगा? Was या was? So was will come. Singular is there. So
Yes.
Was.
Was.
A game
Being
was
played.
played by me.
Here
Being.
again I is said. So we have to put is a being. A game was
Being. Was being played by me.
Me.
played by me.
By
By me.
me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is given as a perfect tense. If it is a present perfect tense, what we are talking about? Present perfect. Formation क्या होगा उसका?
I have bought a pen. No?
Example. Okay. I have
Bought.
been.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, formation बोलो आप.
A mango has been eaten. Arun has eaten a mango.
I have been आगे बोलो कुछ. Same. Okay.
Go.
यहाँ पे क्या?
Ma'am, Arun has eaten a mango.
I have eaten a mango. That is given in a good form, right? Mango. तो इसका passive क्या होगा? जिसका
Yes, ma'am.
passive में क्या करना पड़ेगा? Object is comes first. So it will become
A mango.
Mango के साथ क्या आएगा? Have और has में से
Have been.
Have been eaten by me.
यहाँ पे perfect
Has
clear been. This is the extra word.
been
A mango has been eaten
eaten
by
by me.
Eaten by me.
okay.
Me.
This will come.
मैम यहाँ पे आपने हैव क्यों यूज किया?
Past perfect is there. Past perfect sentence that what will become? I had eaten. Right? I had eaten a mango.
Written.
What will become? Passive. A mango had been
Had been eaten by
Had been eaten by me.
clear this much?
By me.
This
me.
one is
Yes.
very important to you. So this you have to remember. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो. And subject and object को identify करना it's very important. Okay, what is the subject and what is the object that you have to find it out. How will you get the object? You have to just ask a question with a what. अगर आप what से question करोगे तो you will get the object in this sentence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. मैम पर आपने have की जगह has क्यों यूज किया?
Where? Here बेटा I के साथ always have आता है, right? But ये mango is a singular word. Singular object है, तो singular object के लिए हमें has use करना पड़ता है, right? और यहाँ पे mango ही होता है, तो we have use करते हैं यहाँ पे, okay? But यहाँ पे एक ही mango इसलिए हमने has use किया,
Okay, ma'am.
okay? चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So now we are going to start the first exercise. Okay, exercise A. Change the following sentences into the passive. Okay, question वाला मैं सिखाऊंगी अभी, और अभी जो है उसको start करते हैं. What is the first question? a famous musician sang this song. What he sang? तो this song, right? So object क्या हुआ आपका?
Song is object.
This song
This
is
song.
by
Suraj, this song would be
musician.
your object, right? So what would be the answer? This song will come in front.
This song is sang by a famous musician.
सॉन्ग है उसका मतलब सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है, तो आपको वॉज वेयर यूज करना है, राइट? दिस सॉन्ग विल कम फर्स्ट. यू कैन राइट विथ मी ओनली. ओके, दिस सॉन्ग वाज sung, S-U-N-G.
Oye.
Okay, this song was sung. I am writing answer also. What will become? This song was sung by. कौन है सब्जेक्ट ऑफ
Famous musician.
musician? So this would be your answer. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now second, you must submit this homework today. Now your auxiliary verbs are there. So what will you write? First find out the object.
Your homework must
Your
be
homework.
submitted by today.
So become your homework must. Whenever the auxiliary verbs are coming, you have to add be. Must be. ऐसा. ऐसे शुड आए, मे आए तो भी आपको भी लगाना है ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स में. मस्ट बी सबमिटेड बाय यू एंड रिमेनिंग वर्ड इज टुडे. टुडे उसको लास्ट में रख देना. ओके, योर होमवर्क मस्ट बी सबमिटेड बाय यू टुडे. In sometime it cannot write in this is okay, but if it's given then just write it down. लिखो by you, आप लिखो या ना लिखो चलता है, लेकिन your homework कौन करेगा? यू ही करेगा, right? So if you are writing or not, that is okay. Now third number, Susanta helped the old man. So object is here the old man, right? So what would be the answer? The old man, past tense is there, simple past tense. So what will become? The old man was helped by Sushanta. Clear? आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Fourth is given. Ahana is designing my dress. Yes, present continuous tense is there. Right? Continuous.
My dress is being designed by Ahana.
Yes, ma'am.
My dress is being because of ing form. Designed. D-I-N-E. Designed by Ahana. Clear?
Yes.
Now fifth number. Did you write this letter? अब आपको उसको क्वेश्चन करना है, जो भी आपका आंसर होगा उसको क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करना है. Did you write this letter? This letter will come forward. Here past tense is there, so you will use was or were. This letter is a singular word, so you will put as a was. So what will come? Was this letter? Right? Right का क्या होगा? Written by you? Question mark. Was this letter written by you? Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now sixth number.
Yes, ma'am.
Ancient tribesmen often hunted large animals. So what will come? Object is large animals. Large animals hunted is given. Simple past tense is given. So So what will become were? बहुत सारे animals है, so will become were. Were hunted और often है ना इसमें, so verb के पहले often का मिले तो क्या आएगा? Often hunted by subject.
by
क्या है?
Asian tribesmen.
Tribesmen. Full stop. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now next number. Same one. Tara feeds the cows. Simple present.
The
tense
cows are
tense.
fed by Tara.
The cows.
Feed by the.
आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? आएगा cows है तो.
आएगा आएगा.
By
By Tara.
Tara. Full stop. 8 number. Monu invited Prakash to the party. किसको इनवाइट किया गया है? प्रकाश को, राइट? तो होगा प्रकाश इनवाइटेड है, मतलब सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इज है, सो वाज आएगा, राइट? वाज इनवाइटेड बाय मोनू
to the party.
क्लियर? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So going to the second exercise, right? Second exercise is given that rewrite the following sentences in the passive. First with one of the object and another is the second one. So आपको देखना है कि कौन-कौन से दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं फर्स्ट. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. क्वेश्चन लिखना करिए. मिसिस देव teaches or grammar. So here in this sentence two object are. किसको सिखा रही है? हमें. क्या सिखा रहे हैं?
We
So here two objects are there. So you have to make.
we are taught grammar by Mrs. Dev.
Okay. So here we have to make the sentence passive voice in two ways. Okay. So what will be the first?
Yes.
First we are making this from the grammar only. It is simplest one. So grammar will come form in case of passive. So हम लिखेंगे grammar. Right? कौन सा टेंस है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो एमिजर प्लस विच ही आएगा. ग्रामर के साथ क्या होगा? इज. इज का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है? थॉट.
Thought.
अस को लिख ही देना. थॉट वाज बाय मिसिस देव. फुल स्टॉप. क्लियर? फर्स्ट पैसिव बना. अब उसका सेकंड पैसिव बनाना है बाय यूजिंग दिस ऑब्जेक्ट एज अ अस. सो व्हाट विल बिकम अस?
तो आपने जो भी करवाया है
वी.
V आएगा.
इसके बाद क्या आएगा?
फिर R.
थॉट का
Taught grammar by Mrs. Dev.
थॉट. फिर ग्रामर को आगे पढ़ेंगे. ग्रामर
By Mrs. Dev.
ओके. देव. ओके. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? सो अभी आपको सारे सेंटेंस ऐसे दो फॉर्म में बनाने पड़ेंगे. ओके. सारे सेंटेंस आपको दो बनाने हैं इन शॉर्ट. कर पाओगे? चलो सेकंड नंबर. Ravi passed her a pen. So here two objects are formed is her and second one is a pen. Right? So first we are making the sentence in pen. So what will become a pen? Here it is said, the simple past tense is said. So what will become a pen was passed her by Ravi. Right? Second will become C. और है तो उसका हो जाएगा C. C was passed a pen by Ravi. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
लिख तो दिया होगा आपने या तो समझ लो आपको आंसर के लिए जरूर से लिख देना या तो फिर समझ के अपने आप कॉपी कर लेना समझ के लिख लेना बाकी के सारे होमवर्क कर लोगे अपने आप
Yes.
यस मैम कर लेंगे.
एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो करना ओके आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स
Okay, ma'am.
मैं आपको टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखा देती कि कौन कौन से टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर एंड देन ट्राई टू फ्रेम द सेंटेंस ओके चलो थर्ड नंबर द बॉय विल गिव यू अ पेंटिंग सो यू इज अ वन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड अ पेंटिंग इज अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट ओके नाउ इन फोर्थ नंबर the students gave Mrs. Barbe. So Mrs. Barbe is a first object and second object is a farewell gift.
Second object.
A farewell gift.
Farewell gift.
Okay. Now in fifth number.
Next.
They presented to all the students a check and a certificate. So all students is a first object. All students is a first object and second object is a check and a certificate together दोनों को मिला के एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा सेकंड वाला ओके सो बनेगा a check and a certificate were
Ma'am, first object.
all students
Okay.
and second a check and a certificate दोनों को साथ में करके स्टार्ट करना है तो आंसर आएगा a check and a certificate were presented to all the students by them. In sixth number, Mika has not sent me the invitation. Me is the first object and the invitation is the second object. Okay?
Ma'am, first object is me.
Right. और मी को अगर आगे लाओगे तो I बन जाएगा.
Okay.
And second object is the invitation. Seventh. The storyteller told us an interesting tale. Us is the first object. अगर us को आप आगे लाओगे तो वो we बन जाएगा. Okay? And second object is an interesting tale. An interesting tale will be your second object. Okay? Now 8 number. Now 8 number. They did not offer her any discount.
Her is first object.
Any discount is a second object.
Ma'am, second object is.
Any discount.
मैम सिक्स्थ नंबर आप रिपीट कर दीजिए ना फिर से.
All the students is the first object and a check and a certificate is the second object.
मैम माइक वाला.
Ninth,
Mike has not sent me the invitation.
me is the first object and the invitation is the second object. Me is the first object Jimmy madam. Me is the first object and the invitation is the second object. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So B you will complete yourself only. Okay.
Okay.
Now C number. देखो. Change the following from the active into the passive voice. चलो ट्राई करते हैं अभी. Change the following from the active into the passive voice. First question is given. My parents look after me. तो क्या आएगा? Me is the object, right? So what will come?
I
Right? I am looked after my parents.
am looked by my parents.
Very good. Secondly is here. The boys are running a race. तो object क्या है? A
The
race.
race is being run by
A
the
race.
boys.
The race is
Is
being
being running boys.
run आ जाएगा बेटा. A race is being run by
Being run
the
by
boys.
boys. मैम रन की रन ईडी लगेगा.
RUN आएगा खाली. Run, ran, run होता है. थर्ड फॉर्म रन का रन ही रहेगा. ओके. थर्ड नंबर. Floods have destroyed the crops. So क्या हो जाएगा? The crops
The crops have destroyed by the floods.
have
The
been
crops
destroyed by
have
floods.
been destroyed by floods.
Have been आएगा. Have been destroyed. Next, we enjoyed the Commonwealth Games. Answer would be
The Commonwealth
Commonwealth Games were enjoyed by us.
by us. Very good.
Was in
Thank you, ma'am.
तो आपको आ जाएगा ना ये सब भी.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
yes
So
ma'am.
try to complete this exercise. I will send you the videos of exercise D, E, F, G and H. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And remaining exercise you have will complete yourself. I will send you the answers in a PDF. Okay. First write down yourself
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
And then check your answer that is matching or not. Okay. Okay to everyone.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to end
Yes,
up
ma'am.
this class. बोलो बेटा.
मैम थर्ड में डिस्ट्रॉयड है कि डिस्ट्रॉय.
DESTROYED. Destroyed. ED लगेगा. Okay. Try to solve. Now we are ending up this class over here only. Okay. Bye everyone.
मैम सारा पूरा चैप्टर हमें सेंड करोगे.
हाँ मैं पूरी चैप्टर की PDF सेंड करूंगी. ओके बाय.
ओके बाय.